Guys, today we're making slime and pretty Simon Lab.
Alright, and we have liquid slime, metallic putty, bouncing putty, regular slime, and what we're starting off with?
Glow in the dark slime.
Ooh. So basically, they're all powdered and we're adding water. So let's...
I can even use this one.
You can. Let's start
Don't use that one.
testing them out.
Why?
And we'll see if this guy glows in the dark.
Oh,
He has made slime!
Okay, wait.
How's it feel?
Really gooey and hot too.
It's because we mixed it with hot water.
I might need some help here.
Oh god. Oh dear. Oh, it's gonna be a fun cleanup.
Ooh, what if I put this back in there?
And then we'll have to see if it glows. If you can ever clean your hands.
I need some help here.
Next up is the bouncing putty.
Oh!
Success on this one. She bounces.
You did get me.
Oh yeah?
Oh.
So what would you guys rate the bouncing putty?
I would rate it a 7 out of 10.
Okay. Taylor?
I would make like chasey.
Now we got the liquid slime.
Ninja Turtle attack.
Alright, and this guy is just right out of the box and go. What do we think of this one? What are we rating this guy?
Probably a 10 out of 10.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Alright, so liquid slime is currently in the lead.
Catch. 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 What's catch together?
Okay, here. Let's open the next.
And the glow-in-the-dark slime is finally glowing, so what do we want to rate this guy now?
Probably a 8 out of 10.
Looks like an alien. So our thoughts on the metallic putty.
Should have stopped back there and got all 3 out of 10.
Ouch. Okay, last slime is being mixed. This one is also supposed to be glow-in-the-dark. Come on, little slime. Oh,
Ooh.
overflow.
Oh! Ah! It burns!
For any parents watching, no, it doesn't really burn.
Whoa! I'm gonna wash my hands. It says the red, which is my favorite color, and it doesn't look that good. I'm gonna give it a 0 out of 10.
Dun dun dun!
That means the winner is the bouncing putty.
Alright, so that was making slime with Chase and Taylor.
Thanks for watching us. Try to get to 1,000 subscribers.